April 13, 2026. I'm actually looking at my neck, my skin. Hard to get the camera backwards. I had all these brown spots. I still got a couple of them. But yeah, they're right there in the crook of my neck where it bends. They're all gone. They disappeared. They fell off. One of them was big, almost the size of a dime. So some of the nasty skin is definitely disappearing. I'm still healing, I'm still detoxing. I don't know how many years it's going to take to detox. I've only been remounted since August 2023, and I had a hiccup for 4.5 months because of the medical system re-injuring me. Yeah. That's my current posture. I can lean way, way back. So I'm gonna be growing this muscle back in because I've still got a lot of loose skin. Especially that right there. Which ain't near as bad as it was. It was like an inch of it. Inch and a half. Now it's only like an inch. So it just flap from all the muscle loss. But if I flex my muscle a little bit, it's a lot tighter than it was. But I still have a lot of muscle loss. Pounds and pounds of muscle. I've only got like a pound of it back. It's going to take years to build that back if I can do it. Anything 4 years, 3 months basically, since I unlocked January 9th, 2022. Been remounted since August 2025. Remounted the first time August 2023. Got re-injured during my open heart surgery. Knocked me off my rocker. Triggered my seizures. Fun stuff. Thank you, medical system. I appreciate the heart valve, but could have done without them seizures. God bless my 405.